perpetuity. If you bought Apple stock or Amazon stock in the beginning and just left it, right? When these companies actually became networks, when they grew to the size where it's like, all right, this is it. See, once it becomes a network, that's it. It's not going anywhere. Not going nowhere. Amazon always going to be Amazon. Sorry. Apple, they're going to be Apple. That's what it is. They're established now. Period. You ain't going to do nothing but see them improve. More technology. More capability. They're networks. Facebook, network. You thought it was going to be MySpace, huh? Nope. MySpace showed you what it could be. Facebook showed you what it is. See, Facebook took MySpace's slot because the size of it got big enough for it to become a network. Now you can't do nothing with it. It is what it is. So anyway, I know I'm talking about a lot of things kind of at the same time, but my point is that, again, if you just think about what we're doing as far as trading on Nadex, there is nothing that compares to that. You see, so it doesn't matter what's happening. Inflation, okay. Well, there's more taxes, okay. Right? Stuff costs more. I just make more. Right? Oh, your premiums went up. All right. I can't even tell you how often sometimes I'll get something from one of these, whatever. I forgot who sent me a letter in the mail one time recently. It might have been either my health insurance or the dental, one of them. But they sent me something in the mail saying they was gonna raise the premium.